Greetings, 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 everyone. Steve, Paracords of Kindness. How are you doing today? Hopefully your weaving's been happy. Okay, I'm going to start a new series, and I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to call it, but for the most part, it's going to be shallow cuts. As in, I'll explain what they are and why I'm doing this. I'm going to call it shallow cuts. And these videos will be shorter, because I know not everybody has an hour and a half, 2 hours to sit down and watch how to make some paracord bracelet. I get it. But I'll say this. I've had people tell me, one of two things. They'll say, you over-explain stuff like it's a bad thing. But then I have others say, you thoroughly explain things like it's a good thing. Right? It's a slight nuance difference. Depends on what you're wanting to get out of these videos. And like I say, I'm going to tell you the over here, under there, pull tight, but I want to tell you more. Over here, under there, pull this direction and this tight. That's what my long videos are for. They're full of tips, tricks, and commentary. I've been doing this a while, and I've learned a lot of things. And I see the mistakes I've made, and I've learned from them. And I try to share with the viewers, hey, this is what I did wrong. This was a mistake I kept making. Don't do that. You can learn from my mistakes. And just from the experience of doing this over and over and over and doing it all the time, you just learn things and how to do it. And that's what I give in these longer videos. So I recommend watching those. Now, these short ones, the shallow cut, they'll be more in line with your typical paracord tutorial video. Over here, under there, pull tight. And the way I see these, because I know, I'll be honest with you, sometimes I'll make a bracelet, I'll learn how to do it, and I got it wired, and I know everything, I ain't going to say everything, but I know how to make the thing and make it look good. But I don't make it for a couple of weeks, a couple of months. There's been times where it's been a year since I made one of these things, and I can't remember how to do it. So I have to go back and watch the video again. And to be honest, like most of you, I don't want to have to sit and watch the whole long video again. So, I know a lot of channels, they'll put out a quick version. They'll title it whatever, quick version, short version, whatever, and they just give you, bam, here it is, over here, under there, pull. Bam, that's it. That's more in line with these are going to be. Kind of a quote-unquote refresher course. You've already watched the deep cut, that'd be the long version where I give all the tips, tricks, commentary, but you can't quite remember the overs and the unders. It's been so long since you made it. Come back, check out the shallow cut, and it'll be a shorter version. Make sense? And hopefully, in me doing this, I'll satisfy both groups of people. You overly explain stuff, watch the shallow version. You thoroughly explain, watch the deep version. Makes sense? That's the intent of this. That's why I'm doing this and the intent of this. But, there you go. Yeah, there you go. And I'll end this like I end them all. Keep it neat, keep it clean, and keep it tight. Happy weaving, folks.